Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the number blocks from 0 to 100, part 17, which is the last part. It's the end of this part from 96 to 100. Anyways, let's build the number block 96. Number block 96 is made of 90 light gray blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Well, number block 96 is a super duper rectangle. I know why he is a super duper rectangle, because he can make more than 8 rectangles, but he's also made of 90 plus 6. Well, 96 is made of 6 16ths and can be also 12 eighths or 8 12ths. Well, I built the number block 96 by using 8 by 12 rectangle formation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wait, 8 does not like that. 10 4 8 10 12. No, don't do like that. Then we do like this. Well, 7 4 5 6. Then wait, I forget the rectangle formation. Well, do like this, right? And like, nah. Wow, 1 2 3. Like this. No. It's a little bit long to build the number block 96 because 90 has 3 colors, which means it make me confused. It looks like took very long time, but that's okay. Like this, and then we do like that. 4. Then like this, like this, like. Wait, is there something wrong? Oh, it looks wrong, sorry. It's because I forget how to build the number block 96. Like this. And then we just put only the dark grays. 30 dark grays left. Well, almost done. 96 is almost done. I can do it. Finish! 96 is finished. Let's attach the sticker faces. Ta-da! Here is the number block 96, which is a super duper rectangle. I made 8 12s or 12 8s. Or I made the rectangle 12 by 8 rectangle from 8 by 12 rectangle formation. Anyways, let's move on to the number block 97. Okay, for the number block 97 is made of 90 light gray blocks and 7 rainbow blocks, which means she's made of 90 plus 7. Also, 97 cannot make any rectangle, which means she's the prime number. Well, 97 has violet features because violet is 7 and 7 represents that 7 in 97 blocks. In 90 blocks. Sorry. Well, 97 has eyebrows like number block 25 because 97 is the 25th member of the Prime Club. I built 97 by use 90 like gray blocks by using 9 by 10 rectangle formation and 7 blocks more to put on the middle. Well, some cases 97 puts the word prime on her blocks, especially on the top of her face. But I want to do it to put the prime on her blocks too, but I don't want to cut the letters because it's very hard to put it on. Anyways, 90 blocks are finished. Let's add 7 blocks more to make 97. Green, blue, indigo, violet, yellow, orange, and red. Then we put it on the top. Wow, she's a prime number. Her face like number block 25, but her eyes are round. Let's attach the sticker faces. Ta-da! 97 is finished, which is the 25th prime number. And she's also cannot make any rectangles or made of 90 plus 7. Anyways, let's move on to the number block 98. Okay, for the number block 98, 98 is made of 90 like gray blocks and 8 pink blocks, which means she's made of 90 plus 8. Well, 98 is also the 14th member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club. Well, she's made of 7 14s or 14 7s. Also made of 2 49s or 49 2s. I built number block 98 by using 47 by 14 rectangle formation. Well, like this, right? And we need 2 blocks more to put. Well, anyways, then we need dark gray. Where's the dark gray? Okay. Well, we need 2 blocks, 2 light gray blocks, and 1 medium gray block to make 30. A 31. Anyways, don't think about it. Just put the blocks like this, like that, like this. Oh, it doesn't good at all. Come on, we can do it. Number block 98. We can do it. Well, also, I forget to tell you, number block 98 also has a helmet. Because she's made of 7 14s, so which means she has a helmet, which means she can ride skateboard like number block 14. Well, 4 and 3. Put like this to make everyone see my blocks how to build. No, not like that. Yes, like this. And then we put like, oh, sorry. Oh, the blocks are ruined. Let's just put like this, and then should. 93, 94, oh no, 95 plus 3 is 98. So 98, the blocks are Finish. Let's attach the sticker faces. And ta-da! Number block 98 is finished. And let's go on to the number block 99. Okay. For the number block 99 is made of 90 like gray blocks and 9 gray blocks, because 99 is made of 90 plus 9. Well, 99 is also made of 3 33s or 9 11s. Well, 99 is the 9th member of a football player. I built number block 99 by using, for the 90 blocks, I used 9 by 10 rectangle formation and put the 9 blocks, which is made of 9 blocks wide and 1 block tall, to put on the top. Or if I call it easier, or we can call 9 by 11 rectangle formation, because 99 is made of 9 times 11. 99. Anyways, 99 loves to play football like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. And himself, 99. Okay, well, I built like this. Oh my gosh, I crashed on something. Well, let's continue continue building the number block 99. Well, 99 also sneezes like number block 9 too, because he can divide it by 9. Well, there's a note that if the numbers can divided by 9, which means that number block can sneeze. Well, just my assumption. Anyways, 99, I'm going to build almost ready. Well, how many blocks tall now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 blocks. Wait, yes, 63 blocks. Sorry. Well, like this. And then like this. And then I put like this, then put like this. It's very hard to build because it has 3 colors: light gray, medium gray, and dark gray. It looks hard. For the 70s, it's really harder than 90s. Anyways, just do for you, which you are the viewers. And anyways, almost number block 99 is almost finished. 90 blocks is almost finished. 90, and then we need 9 blocks more, which I inspired from 21 to 30 number blocks Mathlink Cubes set, which means 90 plus 9 is 99. Let's attach the sticker faces. Guess what, guys? Did I already build the number block 99? Finished? That's it. Number block 99 is finished, which is 9th member of the football club. Let's go to the last one. Is number block 100. Guys, can you guess what is the last number block, or what is the biggest in the number block in the Numberland is? That's it. It's 100. Yay! 100 is made of 100 blocks, which means 50 blocks are red block and another 50 blocks are light red or light pink or salmon color. But I don't know why the set has white. I'm not sure about that. Actually, it's a salmon color, but the set gives a white color. Well, number block 100 has shuffle blocks like a chessboard, like snakes and ladders game, right? It's really take really long time to build the number block 100 because it has shuffle colors. So just please wait for a while. 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 blocks. And then do like this. Now the blocks has 30 blocks which is exist. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 blocks are finished. We need only 60 blocks more to make 100. 41, 42, what do you mean? 43, 44, and then 45, 46. Well, Numberblock 100 also can split into 10 tens, which is 10 rockets, because 1 10 has 1 rocket, so 10 tens has 10 rockets, which is made of 10 by 10 rectangle formation. Okay, well, 100 is also the 10th member of the square, and also can split into 5 20s, or 10th member of the heroes with zeros, or can be also made of 4 25s, 5 20s, 2 50s, 25s, and so on. No, don't put like that. It's a little long for building the Numberblock 100. Numberblock 100 is really hard to build because it's very hard. It's harder than 70 because it has shuffle colors. But the white one is not beautiful. It should be red. It should be salmon one. Salmon is more beautiful. Now 64 blocks are making. 65%, 66. Well, you see, Numberblock 100 has one eye because one eye represents that 1 in 100 blocks. Wait, oh, not correct. 4, 5, then like this. Oh, 17 minutes. Well, because I take it takes too long because I built the Numberblock 100 because it has shuffle colors. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80. 80 blocks are finished. We need only 20 blocks more to make 100. 83, 84, 85, no, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90 blocks are finished. We need only 10 blocks more to make 100, which means 1 more than 99 is 100. 91, 92, 93, 94. Oh, wrong. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. What is 1 more than 99? That's it. 100. 10, lots of 10, which means she's a square. 10th member of the square club. Let's attach the sticker faces. And guess what, guys? Is the Numberblock 100 done? That's it. 100 is finished, which is made of 10 lots of 10s or 100 ones. Well, this is the end of this video. Which one do you like the most? 96, 97, 98, 99, or 100? Leave the comments. Anyways, if you enjoy this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more video. Well, see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.